The delayed start function is practical for timing your food perfectly while doing something else in the meantime. Just place your prepared food in the cooking space and enter the desired end time. The appliance then starts automatically, and in the meantime you can enjoy sports or spending time with your loved ones. Here's how to set a delayed start. Select the desired setting, for example, hot air with steaming at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. To set the delayed start, set the desired end time and confirm this with Start. The appliance will then automatically start the cooking process so that your food is ready at the desired time. And it turned itself off automatically. Delayed start is very convenient for a variety of reasons. For example, imagine waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread. A dream come true. It's also possible to prepare entire meals and have them ready at the perfect time with delayed start. It gives you the freedom to enjoy time with your guests or your family. While you're relaxing on the sofa with your loved ones, the appliance takes care of the rest and lets you know when your meal is ready to be served. Perfect timing without the stress. Delayed start makes it easy.